Quetzalcoatlus northropii. Key points. Not a bird. Quetzalcoatlus was a giant pterosaur, not a bird, and one of the largest flying animals in history. Time period. Lived during the late Cretaceous period, 70 to 66 million years ago. Discovery. Fossils were found in 1971 in Big Bend National Park, Texas, USA. Name origin. Named after the Aztec feathered serpent god, Quetzalcoatl, and aviation pioneer John Northrop. Size. Wingspan. 10 to 12 meters, 33 to 40 feet. Height. Up to 5 meters, 16 feet, when standing. Weight. 200 to 250 kilograms, 440 to 550 pounds. Adaptations. Toothless beak and long neck for scavenging or catching prey. Hollow bones and strong muscles for efficient gliding. Diet. Likely scavenged carcasses or hunted small animals and fish.
Extinction. Vanished around 66 million years ago during the mass extinction caused by the Chicxulub asteroid impact. This prehistoric giant highlights the rich biodiversity of ancient North America and remains a symbol of evolution's ingenuity in achieving flight.